When you hear the word desert, you probably imagine endless sand dunes, scorching heat, and almost no water. But what if I told you there's a desert that gets more snow than rain? It sounds impossible, but this unique place challenges everything we think we know about deserts today. We'll uncover the surprising story of Earth's coldest deserts, and why snow, not rain, is what defines them. Part 1. What makes a desert? Most people think deserts are defined by heat, but that's a misconception. Scientifically, a desert is defined by low precipitation, less than 10 inches or 25 centimeters per year. That's it, which means deserts can be hot like the Sahara or cold like Antarctica. The key isn't temperature, it's dryness. Part 2. The polar deserts. So where do we find deserts that get more snow than rain? The answer lies in the polar regions. Antarctica and parts of the Arctic are classified as deserts. Why? Because they receive very little precipitation overall. But when moisture does fall, it's usually snow, not rain. That means these icy landscapes technically get more snow than rain, while still meeting the definition of a desert. Part 3, Antarctica. The biggest desert, Antarctica, is the largest desert on Earth, bigger than the Sahara. It averages only about 2 inches of water equivalent per year. That's drier than most hot deserts. But because it's so cold, nearly all of that precipitation falls as snow. Over millions of years, this snow has compacted into massive ice sheets, locking away about 70% of the world's fresh water. So yes, Antarctica is the desert that gets more snow than rain, by far. Part 4. The Arctic and other cold deserts. The Arctic is also considered a desert. Like Antarctica, it gets little precipitation and most of it is snow. There are also other cold deserts, the Gobi Desert in Mongolia or the Great Basin Desert in the United States. While these get more snow than rain in winter, Antarctica remains the most extreme example. Part 5. Why so dry? But why are these frozen places deserts at all? Shouldn't snow mean they're wet? The answer is wind and temperature. Cold air holds less moisture. And in Antarctica, strong katabatic winds blow away clouds before they can release much precipitation. So even though snow covers the land, very little new snow actually falls each year. Part 6. Life in a snowy desert. Life in these deserts is extreme. In Antarctica, only hardy creatures survive: penguins, seals, and microscopic organisms beneath the ice. In the Arctic, indigenous peoples like the Inuit have thrived for centuries, adapting to snowy deserts with ingenuity and resilience. These deserts prove that life can adapt to even the harshest conditions. Part 7. Why it matters. Understanding deserts that get more snow than rain isn't just trivia. It matters for climate science. Antarctica's ice sheets regulate global sea levels. The Arctic's snow cover reflects sunlight, helping cool the planet. Changes in these snow deserts have ripple effects worldwide, from rising seas to shifting weather patterns. So the next time you hear the word desert, don't just think of sand and heat. Think of Antarctica, the frozen desert where snow falls instead of rain, and yet water is rarer than in the Sahara. Would you ever visit the world's coldest desert? Or do you prefer your deserts hot and sunny? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from our planet. Until next time, stay curious.